Well, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at the NMRA MapleGrove event, getting ready to make some test passes for the TrueStreet competition. All right, we're starting our cruise, so no helmet, just normal driving. Yeah, I'm recording outside too, so you see some of these cars. Some pretty nice cars out there. The one that's right in front of me clocked the 840 at 160 some odd mile an hour, cutting gas during his test runs. That's a convertible Fox, but a supercharger, not a turbo, a supercharger. With the license plate, you just lost. Gotta love it. I don't know. Most of this are probably time lapse. Well, we're back from the cruise, and the TrueStreet competition has been postponed due to the rain until tomorrow. So it's here all day in the heat for nothing. But tomorrow is eliminations tomorrow morning, so I should be able to come do the eliminations, and then I gotta boogie out of here and go straight to work. So we'll see. Might get a chance to get the proper belt now. All right, we're getting ready to make some passes, and we'll see how we do. Getting ready to make our second qualifying pass for TrueStreet. We're running a bigger pulley. We're not running our real small pulley today. So
Marvin Nag and Dan Nuzgum, this is TrueStreet.
So we're getting ready to make the second pass for testing for TrueStreet. Running a bigger pulley, not the small one today, because didn't have the right belt for the small one with me.
Lanes, please. Bracket 3, round 2. Thornburg is 1359. Jerry Kratz, a 1337.
So we go. Round first pass of 3.
Jason Hay-
He's a 1040, 129. Not bad, because you're not on a small pulley, so. You got 2700 DA.
Johnson, Mount Clear, New Jersey.
Yep. That's it. 1040 both passes. This is the last pass because they take an average from your 3 passes.
Okay, phone code, what you got?
I love the last pass. We get
So
some
once again, ladies and gentlemen, it's Power
weird
Out,
traction controllers
Power Hour for 12 to 1. All t-shirts on the sit.
that probably just threw it all off.
Watch where you're going. There's transmission or oil, something all the way up there. Car just goes, so don't get on your tires.
All right, thank you.
They're all $5 a piece.
Look at that. Threw it all off. 10-9. Because we kind of had some hesitation there.
Up car 236, Jason Meyer.
Okay, so TrueStreet is over. Now I'm about to pretty much just check my data logs. You see? Because the ET was a little ET in a mile an hour particularly. A little off from what I feel it should have been. So. You may still have a little belt slip. Tried to tighten that belt up some, but may not be as successful as I thought. If not, then on Tuesday I know I'll just put the other belt on. I was trying not to change things considering what the rules were, even though for the most part it was semi-waved because of the rain out, but we shall see. Let's take a look at the logs. Alright, yeah. Definitely had some slip. Took a look and saved the logs. Definitely had some belt slip, so just put the other belt on. And when we go down to the track Tuesday, should have a lot better result. So I can pretty much see from the mile per hour that we were losing some power. Now while I enjoyed myself here, I need to go to work. So, till next time, boosted F-150 out.